What's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Hi, guys. Magugupit kami ngayon ni Mingay ng kuko. Kasi matagal na si Mingay hindi nagupitan. Oh, stand up. Look at that. Who's that? Wow, ang aking baby Mingay. Very big boy na, oh. Big boy. Okay, cut the nail. Don't scared. I'm scared, okay? Why? Look. Who's that? Who's that guy? No, just slowly only, okay? No. Not yet, eh? Come on. Wait. Ay. Mahaba na yung kuko mo. It's a long nail already, oh. See, we cut the nail, baby. Look. Just slowly only. Huh? There. Oh, no, it's not here. Just cut the nail over here. One more. Some more. No, it's not hurt. It's not hurt. Mad na, ah? Gonna spank your butt. No, it's not hurt. It's not hurt, I said. It's just, look. Just cutting the tulis. No. It's not hurt. No, it's not hurt. See? It's not hurt. Come on. Do not hide your... Do not hide. Para mabilis tayo. Na. Look. See? No. Slowly, tuli. Don't move kasi. No. Wait. The other hand. Ito naman. Wait. I said, wait. Not yet done. Okay? No. Hindi naman yan na... Spank you. No. One more. Some more. It's not hurt. Just cutting it. The other side. Over here. This way. Hey! Do not. Why you get mad? Ay! Why? Huh? No? No, it's not. No, it's not. No, nothing. Look, nothing. Ay! Ang haba na ng kuko mo, eh. Hindi ko yung nakita, eh. Isa, ha? Eh! Kikipagkaway pa. One more. Aray ko, you hurt me. See, you hurt me. No, baby, no. I'm just cutting your nail, please. Kasi ang talim-talim na, oh. It's hurt. Okay? No, it's not hurt. Just only that, ano. Wala naman, eh. The other one. This one. No. Hindi nga masakit eh. Huwag ka lang kasi malikot. Minggay! Ay, ay, ay. Talaga naman eh. Don't get mad, don't get mad, don't get mad, okay? Don't get mad, don't get mad, don't get mad, don't get mad. Getting mad, ah. Eh, still up, still up. Kulit. Eh, messy. One more. Oh, one more, oh. One more. Still this one, oh. One more. Minggay. No. It's the biting, ha? No biting, okay? Good boy yan, di ba? Good boy. Di ba good boy yan? Good boy. Mommy don't hurt you. Don't hurt you. We just cut the nail. Right? I don't hurt baby Koy. No, I don't hurt Minggay. Just cutting the nail. Cutting the nail. See, it's not hurt. See, it's not hurt. No, ito pa. This one, no? Hala. Ginugupitan lang eh. Tingnan nga. Enough na nga.